advertiser. So what do we value? What are the things that we actually say this is good or this is bad when we're looking at a new test? And these are going to be really basic. First one is time. I am very selfish with my time. So in the short term, how many calls are we going to have? How many emails, et cetera? How many ad groups could I build in the process of building one? This is data that we can track and understand what we're actually getting from that buy. And then long term, if you're running a test that takes a year to get the data, that's a year. A lot changes, right? So the data that you accumulated 10 months ago, is it good? Is it bad? How do you react to it, et cetera? It's a pretty tough task to tell your CMO, hey, we're still waiting, et cetera. So we have to think through the long-term time as well. So the depth of data. It's always frustrating when you're setting up an ad group, you're wasting your time on something that's only going to yield the picture on the right. You're going to have two semi-equal parts. It's bad data. You're really only answering this one test. Obviously, we have to be mindful of crossing variables, et cetera. But compared to on the left, the same amount of time, we're going to be able to get a lot more data and possibly find pockets of efficiency. So trying to do something slowly is not really in our DNA. We try and do it as quickly as possible so we can get the next test up and running.